tornado warning has been reported for Jimmy Wynn Tinny Tuno Town. This storm will bring some pretty damaging winds, some like golf ball size hail, and a very likely chance of a tornado. In fact, I believe there's a tornado touching down right now. Hear the sirens outside right now. I think the siren might be broken, Mom. Don't you agree? Broken a little bit. Hold on. I don't know. Let me go investigate the siren. What we're gonna do today is go investigate the storm siren. Wait, I messed up. Tornado siren. And the Black Panther. Oh my God, he's gonna kill us. Oh no. There's my truck. It looks to me like the tornado already touched down and threw it over here. Hopefully it's gonna still work. There's water in it. Man. Okay. Let's get on with it. Let's go investigate this tornado siren. But first, let me give you a view of this automobile. The truck with a rope. Now let's go chase it. Ready? Let's go, Mario! Sorry, okay, I don't know why I said that. Yeah, a friend of mine came up with that. There it is, right there. That's a tornado siren? Wait a minute. That ain't no tornado siren. That's a tornado. No! Oh, we're going dead. Oh man. Well, that's over there. It looks to me like the tornado is getting closer and closer and closer and closer. What? Where am I? Oh, what? I'm in a tree. What am I doing in a tree again? I did this the last tornado. This happened. I looked at a sword. And zombies would kill him. I showed that zombie who I am. Look at that pretty white walk. Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do. This is a bad situation. Man, I'm glad that's over with. Man, I don't think I should survive falling out of another tree. Whew. Man. This looks like a bad situation because I see the tornado. Well, we're in a helicopter. We can go away. Oh well. So look at that. That tree is a day old. Barely. Little baby tree. Little tiny, teeny, tiny baby little tree. Okay. Our truck don't look like it. Looks like it took a pretty big beating. Huh. We're gonna pull it over. And now, it's reported another cell. So, we're gonna go chase that. Let's just come right over here. Truck. We're gonna drive. We're gonna drive. 847. 99.44. Okay. 72.48. Oh wait, no. Wrong song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Alright. That does not make any sense. Oh God, I see it. It's right there. Oh my God, there's so many of them. Look at all these tornadoes. The wind is blowing. It's blowing flat. The wind is blowing. There's a dirt pile. Tornado is making it. Oh God. Oh! Oh, that was a close one. It wasn't actually a close one. Look, another panther. Tornado. Ah! Phew, I'm glad that's over. There's only 8 million years left of tornadoes. Tornado season. That always produces a tornado every time I send a warning or a watch or anything. Anytime that there's a cloud, it always turns into a tornado. Man, should have saw how many tornadoes were out there. There was a lot of tornadoes out there, yeah. Okay. Yep. Well, the end of my video for today.